Hello everyone. Are you wondering what non-binary means? Let's explore. Non-binary is a gender identity that doesn't fit within the traditional binary of male and female. Non-binary individuals may identify as a mix of both genders, neither gender, or a different gender altogether. This identity encompasses a wide range of gender expressions and experiences that fall outside the conventional categories of male and female. Non-binary people may use different pronouns, such as they/them, and may or may not choose to express their gender in ways that align with traditional gender norms. In essence, being non-binary is about existing outside or beyond the male-female binary, recognizing that gender is a spectrum rather than a two-dimensional concept. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.